Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And today was a complete bloodbath in Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty especially because of HDFC Bank. Only one thing, that is HDFC Bank, right? And as you would have guessed it would have been a very bad day for me. But in s- basically in you can say that I don't know what happened, but yes, anyways, I've just ended with 2000 rupees loss, right? And it is very good as compared to, if you see that Bank Nifty opened almost 1500 points down with a gap down, right? That was very big gap down that I had to face. And anyways, I just booked 4400 loss in my put short position. And then I went ahead and took a call short, right, throughout the day, and I basically recovered more than half of my loss. But anyways, yeah, 2000 rupees loss. I'm very happy if you look at it, because there are not a lot of days where market is, Bank Nifty is down 4%. So if there is one of these days every maybe year or something where you're on the wrong side of it, it's all right, if you can control your risk. And I'm very happy with the risk control. Just 2000 rupees loss, and you might feel like, oh, 2000 rupees is a big thing, but if you have to see that I made 5900 rupees in just one trade, right? So anyways, where did I took a call short position was over here, somewhere over here, in this candle, I think. Yeah, in the 10 a.m. candle over here. As soon as the candle started, I took a call short position over there. My stop loss was of just 20 points, around about 15 to 20 points, I'd say 20 points. And then my target was basically 60 to 70 rupees. I booked it at 74 rupees. But yes, very good day in for me. Even though I'm ending with a good amount of loss, I think it was a very good day if you compare the sort of momentum that happened throughout the day. And yeah, I could have shorted the 46,500 call option and basically recovered almost all of my loss. But I said, why to take a little bit of risk, right? First, let's try to minimize our loss. Let's not get very fast in recovering all of our losses in just one day, because market is going to go down, market is going to go up. There will always be momentum in the market, so we'll catch some momentum someday afterwards, right? So anyways, what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now I'm going to tell you one thing that you need to keep in mind, which is going to be very important for the coming months in the market. If we see, Bank Nifty is going to give a breakout failure below 46,000, right? 46,300 is the right level. But let's take a 300 point of slack, right? Basically 46,000 is a round number, so let's take 46,000. Below 46,000, Bank Nifty is going to give a breakout failure. What does that mean is that there could be a very big sell off that could be coming in. No, not a very big sell-off, but there could be a very good sell-off that could be coming in the coming. Basically, the market has started to change its trend. If Bank Nifty does not hold 46,000 now, chances are that we will see a very good sell-off, which will first of all take us till 44,800, which is this gap over here. Very easily we will get there, and then we can also retest this low very easily. So Bank Nifty is at a very crucial level. Nifty is also at a very crucial level. If you see below 21,500, we can expect another 500 point of fall very easily, and after that we can expect even more, right? But 21,800 was a very important level over here, right? And that has been breached, and Nifty has given a breakout failure. But below 21,500 is where Nifty will also become bearish for the long term, and then we can expect at least 21,000 on the downside. That will be our first target. From there we can expect market to move down, maybe more, maybe less. But yes, 21,000 seems like a very good target on the downside if we break 21,500, right? So keep this in mind. 21,500 will be very important. It will be very good if market takes a little bit of waiting over here. Basically market waits for a little bit of time and then starts to break this level, right? Because if market does break this in one go, there will be a little bit of volatility. But if we want a straight move on the downside, it's best if market goes down a little bit, takes a little bit of pullback, maybe 100 points, 150 points assets, and then starts to break it. That is when we will go ahead and take a short position for the very long term, not for the very long term, but basically for a very big target of 21,000 on the downside. So let's talk about Bank Nifty again, and let's see what can we do for tomorrow over here, right? Because Bank Nifty is the one which is more weak and which is sort of more concerning over here. So 46,300 is going to be a very important level. If we open the gap up above 46,400 tomorrow, then chances are market will stay volatile in a range. Probably it will go up a little bit, then come down, go up a little bit. So then we cannot really do anything. But if we open with a slight gap up, let's say 46,200, right, which is just a 150 point gap up, then near this zone that I've made over here, anywhere below, anywhere from 46,320 to 46,220, in this 100 point range, if we see that market has started to make negative price action, you can again go short from here, and your targets then will be very big on the downside. Basically you can easily keep even 45,000, which will be sort of for a positional basis. Please do not think and you cannot really say that market will go down till 45,000 tomorrow itself. Maybe it might take a little bit of time, right? But yes, you can easily keep 45,800 on the downside as a target. 46,000 could be your first target, and then 45,800, because there is a little bit of support over here. So market might take a little bit of support, take a little bit of pullback, and then come down on the downside, right? So I hope you guys understood that. If we are opening flat, if we are opening with a small gap up, then we will still stay bearish, because this trend could very well continue on the downside. Please do not think that if market has fallen down 2,000 points, it will not continue to move down, right? Please do not think that. Until unless 46,000 is being held over here, we will not go long or anywhere over here, right? Please do not think that. And there are places where we will go long on the lower side once we reach some levels, but as of now, please do not think about going long over here anywhere, right? Even if you open with a gap up, it's best if you just skip this day, because market most probably will then be in a range and you can't really do anything after that, right? On the downside, if you open with a gap down, let's say somewhere near 45,900, maybe market might continue to move down and not even wait over here, right? So two things can happen. If we open with a gap down, one thing is that we'll take a little bit of pullback, then go down, right? So if we are taking a pullback, then wait for the market to see where it is taking where it is starting to make negative price action. Wherever it starts to make negative price action in 5-minute chart, you guys can then go ahead and take a short position over there. On the downside also, if you are opening with a gap down, then also market could continue to move down after a gap down itself. So even after the gap down, if we are seeing negative price action being made after the gap down also, that is when also you can go ahead and take a short position, right? Because what happens in sort of these selling markets over here is that market doesn't even wait. Market will open at the gap down and continue to move down. It won't even wait for anyone to enter the trade or something. So if we are opening the gap down and we are seeing that market is making negative price action, we will go ahead and enter in that trade over there itself, and your stop loss will be small, because if selling has to happen, it will happen very fast and it will not really take a lot of time, right? So I hope you understand this. If we are opening flat and crossing 46,000 also, even then also you can go ahead and take a short position over here, right? But make sure that the market is going down very fast. Maybe market might go below 46,000 and come back up. That is when you should think about, okay, let me exit my position over here. Maybe market doesn't really have to go down right now itself, right? Maybe market might take a little bit of pullback till 46,300, 200 and then go down. So if we are seeing that market is breaking 45,980, keep 45,980 for a little bit of, basically cushion. But yes, below 45,980, if we are crossing after opening flat, let's say we open basically almost flat, 20-30 points up down, or 50-60 points, that's it, then below 45,980 you can go ahead and take a short position. But as I said, make sure that the market is going down very fast from here and not really making some sort of a trap. After going down it is coming back up, then that means it is a trap. Then market will not go down from here. Maybe market will take a little bit of pullback and then start to come down, right? So I hope you guys understood that. In Nifty, if you see, Nifty is also very bearish over here. Nifty is also not bullish as of now. Best thing in Nifty, best place in Nifty, 21,640 to 660. In this 20-point range, once the market comes over here, maybe market opens with a little bit of gap up and then comes over here. As soon as you see that market is making negative price action from here, you guys can then go ahead and take a short position over here itself, and then you can keep a target of 21,560 first of all, and then 21,500 on the downside, because then the market will go down till 21,500. Maybe then market might wait over here or break this very fast on the downside, right? Again, it depends on how the what the big institutions are doing. Are they really in such a big panic that they don't even want to wait near very good levels, or what are they really doing, right? So as I said, near 21,640 to 660, if you see that market is coming near over here and then making negative price action, you guys can go ahead and take a short position from there. Your first target will be 21,580 to 570, and then second target will be 21,500 on the downside. So basically we can get these targets fairly fast, but in Bank Nifty we'll get them faster because Bank Nifty is much more weaker, right? So if you want to take a short position, it's best if you take that short position in Bank Nifty as of now. Below 21,500 in Nifty, that is when we can also go aggressively short in Nifty, right? Nifty still maybe might not go down as fast as compared to Bank Nifty because it is still above a few key levels, right? Again, if you open with a gap up about 21,680, basically 650, then market will consolidate over here for the whole day, and then it's best to not trade anything. Let the market decide where it wants to go. If you open straight up with a gap down somewhere near 21,500, then we'll wait for just a little bit of pullback, right? If we do get that pullback, and then if we are seeing that market is making negative price action near today's closing, that is when we can go ahead and take a short position. Or as I said, let's say if we open near 21,500 and we continue to move down very fast, then we will wait for negative price action just a little lower low, and as that low is crossed, basically a swing low is made. Let's say market opens near 21,480, market makes a low, comes back up a little bit, and once the market is again breaking this low, that is just a second, yes, once the market is breaking this low, that is when we'll go ahead and take a short position, and then we can keep big targets on the downside. You can book targets at 100 points also, but then you can basically keep 21,200 to 250. That can be your very easy target on the downside. Maybe that might not come tomorrow itself, but you never know, because these types of selling markets go down very fast, right? And we think that, oh, the market cannot really go down that much, but market could very well go down that much, and we could maybe see another 300 points of fall tomorrow itself, right? Who knows, right? So again, you can book some profit at 21,400, all these levels, right, on the downside, and then again let the rest go down till 21,250, right? So yeah guys, I hope you guys understood this. Market is at a very crucial level. As I said, if Bank Nifty is not holding 46,000 and Nifty is not holding 21,500, then chances are we are going in for a long correction on the downside, and that is when we need to get bearish and sell or a rise. So I hope you guys understood that, and thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.